folks, RV Cooking with Luke, Volume 3 with Traveland RV. Today we're doing surf and turf tacos. Whether you want to follow this recipe through and through, jazz it up or jazz it down, it does not matter. All that matters is that you're camping and cooking. Let's go! Today we are cooking in a KZ Connect. Lots of kitchen space. Come check it out. All this counter space is every chef's dream. $46,995, bi-weekly at $206. Looks pretty good, right? All right, I'm making a pico de gallo or a salsa fresca or a bunch of vegetables on a bowl. The top secret ingredient, mango. Got some corn.
This looks so good.
We want our cabbage paper thin. Homemade queso dip. More cheese, please. Just shredding cheddar, man. That's all I'm good for. Just shredding cheese. I always get flack because I love Monterey Jack. Velveeta, as smooth as a chia.
Are you gonna use all of that, Luke?
Yeah. We gotta slow down on these videos, Michelle. None of my clothes fit anymore. Okay, I've got some steaks. They've been marinating in a homemade marinade that I made. Don't waste your money on expensive steak cuts. Get a cheaper one and elevate it. We have tailed off deveined prawns. This griddle is as hot as the deals at Traveland RV. Sizzling. Folks, I hope you liked that recipe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.